this equation you can solve the practice set 27. Question number 1 is rewrite the following using a letter. So you can use their letters. The sum of a certain number and 3. The sum of you don't know the number. The sum of number and you don't know. Then for this you can take x and sum is there, so x plus 3. Right here x plus 3. The difference obtained by subtracting 11 from another number. For this number you can take x and difference is there. So if they write their difference, then you can subtract this. So x minus 11. Right here x minus 11. The product of 15 and another number. Product means multiplication. The number is x and product is 15. So 15x. Next is the 4 times a number is 24. Number is 4 times. So 4x is equal to 24. Right here 4x, 4 times x equal to 24. So in this way you can write answer there. Second is find out which operation must be done on both sides of this equation in order to solve them. So here you can write the operation, which operation can done there, you can write there. x plus 9 is equal to 11. अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि x plus 9 रहे तो क्या करना है, subtract 9. तो write here subtract 9 both side. x minus 4 is equal to 9. So you write here minus 4 is there, so write plus 4. Add 4 on both sides. 8x is equal to 24. In this divide by 8x. Divide both side by 8. Right here divide both side by 8. X by 6. X by 6 is equal to 3. So here multiply by 6. Right here multiply both side by 6. In this way you can write only like that. Not solve this. Okay. Next is the given below are some equation and values of the variables, or these values are solution of those equations. Here there are some equations are given. This is correct or not. If they are correct, you can write yes here. Is not correct, write here no. Y minus 3 is equal to 11. The answer is 3. You can solve this. There is no answer is 3. So there is no. Y minus 3 is equal to 3. If you can take there, if you can solve this one. Y minus 3 is equal to 11. Therefore y is equal to y minus 3. You can always plus 3 is equal to 11 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel. Y is equal to 11 plus 3 how much? 14. So they can given y is equal to 3. So the answer is not right. So write here no. Like that you can solve all this one and write yes or no. So I can write here n is equal to 10. Yes. 30 is equal to 5x is equal to 6. Yes here. M by 2 multiply by 2. 14 into 2 is 28. The answer is not correct. Write here no. Next is the solve the following equation. Here is some equations are given and solve this one. So I can solve this. No. Multiply by 2. 14 to the 8. 28. Answer is 28. Not this is. No. Next is the solve the following equation. Y minus 5 equal to 1. So I can write here this example y minus 5. So you can add 5 to both side. Adding 5 to both side right here. Cancel 5 cancel. So y is equal to 6. Second is the 8 is equal to t plus 5. So I can subtract here 5. 8 minus 5. T plus 5 minus 5. 5 cancel. 5 cancel. Therefore 3 is equal to t. Subtracting 5 from both sides. Right here subtracting 5 from both sides. Next is the 4x is equal to 52. So I can divide by 4. 4x. Therefore 4x divided by 4 equal to 52 divided by 4. 4 cancel. X is equal to 13. Right here dividing both sides by 4. Next is the p by 4 is equal to 9. P by 4 equal multiplied by 4. 9 into 4. 4 cancel. P is equal to 36. Multiplying both sides by 4. Right. I can solve all these examples. You can also solve next this one. Write the given information as an equation and find its solution. Here are some examples are given. Write their equation and solve this. Like that you can solve this. Write this all this one and solve this. Okay, students.